The stakes are really high. Life or death. It's a situation that feels pretty inescapable.
So, how's the date going?
Violet is a single mom who is getting back out into the dating scene for the first time in a while.
And gets blindsided by some very disturbing and confusing drops on her phone.
Someone keeps digi-dropping me.
They could be anyone in the restaurant.
She has been tasked with murdering her date.
Her date is not allowed to know about any of it.
Violet, everything okay?
Violet's being watched through the security cameras. They've got the whole place tapped.
But she has to keep this man sitting at the table across from her.
I'm like the worst date ever.
No, you're great.
What creeps me out the most is just feeling like you're trapped and you can't do anything about it. Can't text anybody, can't call anybody. You're being watched at all angles, you're being listened to at all angles. You're back up against the wall. It's absolutely terrifying.
Yeah, Sean never killed anybody, right?
Meghann and Brandon take big swings, and you can feel that on screen.
It's definitely a thriller. It's definitely gonna keep you on the edge of your seat. The thing that's so scary about the film is that you could totally see a world in which this could happen to someone.
It's just a date, just a date, just a date.